Yeah, this is important. There's a lot of anxiety, depression, being separated from each other. People are not able to communicate or physically meet up with their loved ones as often as they'd like to. People feel separated from each other, and this will cause and can cause and has caused severe depression in some people, or has heightened the state that they're in. The Silva Method has shown through thousands and thousands of people who've taken it over the years that depression is one of those things that can be drastically decreased by practicing the techniques that are learned in the program. Now, one of the main techniques here is the process of meditation. And the process of meditation that we teach is very easy, it's very simple to learn, and it's easy to do at any time. And that's what's extremely important, especially if you're in this feeling of depression, because what you want to do is you want to raise your energy. You want to feel more in control of your life. You want to feel more capable and have more self-esteem and more self-confidence. So by practicing meditation and practicing those meditative techniques that we show, with regular practice of just 15 minutes a day, even if you do it just once a day, it has shown scientifically that it improves your overall state of well-being, your overall feeling of peace, joy, and overall health. If you would practice more and use the visualization exercises that we teach, then you'll be able to raise your vibration much higher. And finally, the mental housekeeping technique. The mental house cleaning technique. The mental house cleaning technique will help you to clear out the negative thoughts that we have. You know, in depression, we typically have negative thinking. It's like going in a downward spiral. And by using the mental house cleaning technique, we learn to identify the negative thoughts which are pulling us down, and we're able to transform them into at least neutral, but preferably positive thoughts that's going to pull us up. And if they pull us up, they make us feel better. And the better we feel, the more objectively we can look at the things that are going on around us. And the more objective we are about the things that are going on around us, we're able to take the proper actions that will take us into a better feeling overall space. Of course, in whatever medical situation that you're in, you want to be in consultation with your doctor and not take the Silva Method or just use meditation on its own, because often the best way of going through this process is to help with your doctor together. Because when your doctor understands and he sees what you're doing, then you're able to manage the medication, if you're on medication, at a more active or a more ideal rate. So absolutely, the Silva Method can help in depression as well as anxiety and stress. And by practicing the techniques together with your doctor's supervision, you'll be able to move out of that space much more quickly than if you just be using, let's say, medication.